along.
Please, 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 I'm begging on my knees. Go, can't you hear my pleas? Hey now, beautiful, what you waiting for? I got the keys to the fast lane, baby. Please, please, please.
Listen to me, let's take a walk, dear. Talk about the future we could have together if you leave us alone. Life is a joyride and I need a co-pilot. We could do some flying, baby. We don't need no plane.
Silly boy, silly boy.
You go out in style, dressed in diamonds like a queen. I'll show you the city, we can really make the scene.
I got a Maserati!
You know, my mama gave me some real good advice long time ago. She said it was going to save me from those restless young Romeos. Well, my mama said boys and birds and bees are dangerous in high degrees. They get much too hot to handle and they always do what they please.
Great Gusher Rubber,
Oh!
he's just a playboy and you need a real man.
Oh, someone who is solid, someone who is strong.
Please, please, please.
If you please, I'm the type of guy that doesn't take a chance.
I know what he